In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an application to a Cloudways server. Whether you're a newbie or an experienced user, this straightforward guide will help you navigate through the process with ease. Let's get started. First up, you'll want to make your way to the Cloudways homepage, which is the jumping off point for accessing their managed cloud hosting platform. If you haven't already bookmarked it, you might want to do that for quick access in the future. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button, and if prompted, enter your credentials to access your Cloudways account. It's crucial to ensure your login information is correct and up to date to avoid any hiccups at this stage. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Cloudways dashboard, which serves as the control center for all your server management activities. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already, as getting comfortable with the dashboard will significantly boost your confidence when managing applications and servers. Next, direct your focus toward the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find a section labeled My Applications. Go ahead and click it. This section will list all the applications you currently have deployed. It's like having a quick snapshot of your web projects in one centralized area, making it easier to manage them. After you've clicked on My Applications, look for a button named Add Application. Click on this button to begin the process of adding a new application to your server. This is where the magic happens. You'll be greeted with a menu displaying various application options available for deployment. Depending on your project needs, you can choose popular applications such as WordPress, Magento, or Laravel, among others. Make sure to choose the application that best fits your project needs. Once you've made your selection, there will be a few prompts to name your application and select the server on which to deploy it. Be thoughtful in naming your application, as this can assist with organization when handling multiple projects. Double check your server selection to ensure your application deploys to the correct location. Now allow the Cloudways platform to work its technical wizardry. The process might take a few moments, so feel free to grab a quick coffee break. Once the deployment is complete, your application will be readily available in the My Application section for further customization or immediate use depending on your specific project goals. And there you have it, a new application added to your Cloudways server. This quick and efficient process allows you to scale your projects seamlessly. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you feel empowered to add applications with ease on Cloudways. Happy hosting!